How to trade with this indicator: when an arrow appears, open an order in the direction of the arrow. At the end of the red rectangle we put stop loss, and at the end of the blue rectangle we put take profit. On the EUR/USD chart, we see 11 signals. 10 signals were closed by take profit and 1 by stop loss, that is, more than 95% of the signals were closed with a profit. And only 5% closed at a loss. The larger the time frame, the more accurate signals. You can buy the indicator only on this site. This indicator is not for sale on other sites. Download the demo right now and test it on your PC.